So please try it out. In the figure, AB is the chord of the circle with center O. It meets the diameter PQ at R such that BO is equal to BR. If angle ARP is equal to A degrees and angle AOP is equal to KA degrees, and find the value of K. So you can just pause the video and try it out and then we'll discuss. All right, guys. So let's solve it. It's been given that BO or OB is equal to BR in this case. So that makes triangle BRO an isosceles triangle, right? Because two sides are given as equal. And for isosceles triangles, we know that the base angles will be equal. So angle BOR will be equal to angle BRO will be equal to A degrees, right? So both of these angles, let us call them as A degrees in this case. Now, if you observe carefully, guys, for triangle BRO, okay, angle ABO is the exterior angle, right? This angle is the exterior angle here. So angle ABO will be angle BOR this A and BRO this A, right? So angle ABO will be nothing but A plus A or twice of A in this case, right? So angle ABO will be twice of A. Similarly, guys, we can say ABO also is an isosceles triangle because AO will be equal to OB. Both are the radii of the same circle, right? So angle OAB is same as angle OBA, right? That means angle ABO is equal to angle BAO, right? So ये भी कितना हो जाएगा? Angle BAO भी कितना हो जाएगा? 2A degrees, right? Now, if you observe carefully again, for the big triangle AOR, I'm talking about this triangle here, guys. Okay, BOAOR. Okay, this triangle AOR. Okay, for this big triangle AOR, okay, AOP is the exterior angle, right? Okay, so AOP will be equal to angle RAO plus angle ARO, right? So this angle, that is RAO, and triangle ARO, and sorry, angle ARO, this angle, right? So angle AOP will be nothing but 2A plus A, which is 3A degrees. Okay, if angle AOP is 3A degrees, we have been given angle AOP as KA degrees. If you compare A and A get cancelled out, the value of K comes out to be equal to 3. Okay, now there is a much simpler way to solve the same question, guys. Let's observe. We have taken the value of ARP जो हमें दिया हुआ है as A, right? So if ARP is A, we know that BOQ also will be equal to A degrees, and AOP also is given as KA degrees, isn't it? Right? Now, guys, we know that there are two secants AB and PQ, right? These secants meet at point R. Okay, we have studied this relation between the angle and the arc for the secants. Angle ARP will be equal to half of arc AP minus BQ, isn't it? Okay, so writing that equation, okay, angle ARP will be half of arc AP minus BQ. Now, guys, angle ARP is nothing but A degrees, right? जो हमें पता है, right? What is the arc AP right now, guys? AP, the arc will be equal to central angle, जो कि KA होगा, right? So arc AP is nothing but KA degrees. Similarly, guys, arc BQ क्या हो जाएगा? Central angle is A degrees in this case, right? So arc BQ is equal to central angle, जो कि होगा A degrees. Putting in the values AP as KA degrees arc and arc BQ as A degrees, you get A equals to half into KA minus A. You get 2A equals to KA minus A, or KA equals to 3A. That gives the answer as K equal to 3. As simple as that, right? Okay, let's go on to the next question, guys. ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeters with a circle inscribed within. E and F are the midpoints of sides AB and BC respectively, and also the points where the circle touches these sides. AF meets the circle at G, find the length of AG in this case. Okay, so you can try it out and then you can pause the video, then we'll discuss. Okay, guys. So let's first understand. It's given that ABCD is the square of side 10. इसका मतलब AB हो जाएगा 10 centimeters and FB हो जाएगा 5 centimeters, right? And angle ABF will be 90 degrees here, right? Okay, because it's a square. So all the interior angles, all the vertices, okay, will be nothing but 90 degrees, right? Okay, so now we'll apply Pythagoras theorem, guys. We'll say that in triangle AFB, AF square is equal to AB square plus BF square, right? And in this case, you put AF as AB as 10 and FB as 5. You'll get AF square as 100 plus 25, 125. So AF is nothing but 505. Okay. Now, guys, if you observe carefully, okay, A से हमने एक line draw किया है. It is meeting the circle in exactly one point, right? Okay, circle is inscribed inside the square. मतलब क्या? The square is tangent to the circle in these 4 points, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So AE is basically a tangent. Okay, AE again will be 5 units because E is the midpoint of AB, right? And now we can say that AE is a tangent. Similarly, AF is a secant, right, guys? So if AF is a secant and AE is a tangent, We can say AE square is AG into AF by the tangent secant theorem, right? So AE square, okay, this AE which we have here, okay, this AE square will be AG into AF, right? So AE I told you is 5, okay, because E is a midpoint, and AF we found is 5 root 5. Plugging in the values, we get 25, 5 square equals to AG into 5 root 5. 5 cancel, AG is 5 by root 5, AG ka value ho gaya root 5, right? Okay, next part, guys. Let's go on to the next part. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals to AC equals to 8 centimeters, D is any point on line BC such that AD equals to 6 and BD equals to 4 centimeters. Find the length of DC. You can try out this question, guys. You can pause the video. Okay, so if you have been paying attention to the lectures, you will realize that हम ये question पहले solve कर चुके हैं in trigonometry. Yes, we have solved we have solved this question by two methods. पहले हमने Pythagoras theorem use किया था, ladder वाला method use करके, and found the answer as DC equal to 7. And हमने trigonometry भी use किया था. We have used the cosine rule and we have got the answer as 7 also. Now we'll see the best possible and the shortest way to solve the same question, guys. Okay, but that requires थोड़ा सा brainstorming. So let's start it out. Now it's given that there's a triangle, isosceles triangle ABC, AB equals to AC equals to 8 units, 8 centimeters in this case, right? And D is any point on BC such that AD equals to 6. Okay, so taking D as any point on BC, I get AD equal to 6 and BD equal to 4 centimeters, right? Now, guys, what I will do is I'll treat A as the center of the circle, and it's given that AB and AC both are equal, right? So guys, keeping A as the center and AB and AC as the radius, I will draw a circle. Okay, that means the circle will be the circumcircle of this particular triangle ABC in this case, right? Now we will extend the line segment DA to meet the circle at the top. We call this point as P. Okay. Now guys, अगर A center है circle का and AP is also the radius, तो AP का length कितना हो जाएगा 8 units, right guys? Notice that A is between D and P. So I will write D dash A dash P. Okay, all these 3 points are collinear. मैंने DA को extend किया ऊपर, right? Same way, guys, I will extend AD now towards the bottom of the circle so that AD extended meets the circle in Q such that A dash D dash Q, right? Okay, if you combine these two conditions, guys, you have P dash A dash D dash Q. इसका मतलब PQ is a straight line. A and D are lying in between them. Okay, now guys, understand, I have a secant here, and that secant is PQ, which I have drawn here, and I also have a secant BC, right? These two are meeting at a point D. क्या सीखा है हमने दो seconds के meeting point के बारे में? Okay, DB into DC will be DP into DQ, right? इस meeting point से पहले secant का पहला point B, पहले secant का दूसरा point C. इस meeting point से दूसरे secant का पहला point P, इस meeting point से दूसरे secant का दूसरा point Q. So we know DP into DC will be DP into DQ, right? Now, guys, observe carefully. ये जो DP होगा, okay, this DP here is nothing but 6 units of DA, right, and 8 units of AP, right? So this DP will be nothing but 8 plus 6, right? In the same way, guys, अगर हमें ये DQ का लेंथ फाइंड करना है, ये DQ एक्चुअली है क्या? इस पूरे AQ में से जो कि अगेन रेडियस होगा, you are removing AD, right? So from 8 you are removing 6. So the left hand side is sorted now. It's nothing but 8 plus 6 into 8 minus 6. The right hand side is given to you dB as 4 units. अब सिर्फ एक ही unknown है यहाँ पे DC, which is 8 square minus 6 square, 64 minus 36 is 28 by 4. The answer is 7 centimeters, right? अब आपने तो बोला बहुत सारा long cut हो गया, shortcut कैसे होगा, right? Shortcut इसलिए हुआ कि next time you see a question like this, you can get the answer in seconds using the shortcut here. How? Assume that, guys, the radius will be A units. Okay, here in this case. Okay, the length of this line segment AD is B and BD is C units, right? हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे? हमने लिखा DP into DQ is GB into DC, right? DP हमने कैसे फाइंड किया? DP हमने निकाला A plus B करके, DQ हमने कैसे निकाला? A minus B करके, right? So A plus B into A minus B is C into DC. That means DC is A square minus B square divided by C. We have a quick shortcut, right? Okay, guys, so with that, we go on to the next question. In the given figure, AB is tangent to the circle at A. If AC is equal to BC is equal to 9 centimeters and CD is equal to 7 centimeters, find the perimeter of triangle ABD. Okay, you can pause the video and try it out, guys, and continue to watch the solution. All right. So it's given that AC and BC both are 9 centimeters and CD is 7 centimeters. Okay, guys, what we will do is we will say that BA square will be BC into BD, right? So BA is the tangent given. You can observe that BD is the secant, right? Okay, so BA square will be BC into BD, right? So BA can be found here. BA will be what? BA will be square root of BC into BD, tangent secant theorem. So BA square will be BC. BC कितना होगा guys? 9 होगा. Okay, और BD कितना होगा guys? BD होगा 9 plus 7, 16, right? Okay, so BA square will be 9 into 16 or BA will be equal to 12. Okay, now you'll observe that guys, by tangent secant theorem, BA is the tangent, AC is the secant again. So angle BAC ये जो भी होगा in yellow will be same as angle ADC, right? Tangent secant theorem. Sorry, the alternate segment theorem, right? Now, as we go on further, angle B is the common angle, right? So I have two triangles here, triangle BAC, you can see, okay, and triangle BDA, right? Triangle BAC and triangle BDA will be similar by the AA test of similarity. Okay, that means the ratio of the sides will be same. The corresponding sides ratio will be equal. Okay, so BA upon BD is AC upon DA is equal to BC upon BA. Plugging in the values, okay, we have the equation as 12 by 16 equals to 9 by DA equals to 9 by BA. Okay, अब हम पहले क्या करेंगे, पहले हम ये वाला पार्ट कंसीडर करेंगे इस इक्वेशन का. Okay, so we first focus on this part of the equation, that is 12 by 16 equal to 9 by DA. Okay, and then we'll focus on the next part of the equation. Okay, 12 by 16 equal to 9 by BA. Solving these two, you'll directly get the value of DA and BA both has 12 units. Now you can find out the perimeter very easily. Okay, BA is nothing but 12 and AD is nothing but 12. BD हमें दिया ही है 9 plus 7, 16. So the perimeter of triangle ABD will be AB plus BD plus AD. 12 plus 16 plus 12. The answer is 40. As simple as that, right? Now we look at a different way to solve the same question, guys. यहाँ तक same रहेगा. Okay, once we prove the similarity of triangles to be by the AA test, okay, यहाँ तक एकदम same रहेगा. इससे आगे things will be slightly different. How? See, guys, ratio of sides is same as the ratio of perimeters. You can say that, right? अगर ratio of sides अगर suppose 3 है suppose sides का, okay, perimeter का भी ratio वही होगा ना? Because ultimately you are adding the same sides. Okay, 3x, 3y, 3z. Okay, x plus y plus z और 3x plus 3y plus 3z, उनका भी रेशियो क्या होगा, basically 3 होगा, right? So ratio of sides is same as ratio of perimeters. You can observe here. Okay, so BA upon BD, the ratio of the sides is same as the ratio of perimeters. Okay, perimeter of BAC हम बहुत easily निकाल सकते हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, perimeter of BAC basically क्या हो जाएगा, 9 plus 9 plus 12 is 30. So 30 upon perimeter of ABD required is 12 by 16. Ratio of BA by BD, that is nothing but perimeter of triangle ABD is 40 centimeters.